Welcome to fixitforgetit.com, where projects and ideas come together.
Hi, this is John from fixitforgetit.com. I'm going to be replacing this old faucet today. It's quite old, just outdated, starting to fail, time to replace it. Put a little new faucet in there. If you've ever replaced one of these, you know that one of the most difficult things about the job is when you're back in the cabinet here, laying out over the edge of that cabinet, that really digs into your back. So I thought I'd just show you something that I do to make things a little easier. You can just get a set of these little bed risers. It's just a little thing you put under the legs of a bed to raise it up in the air a bit. Put those bed risers down. Get a little piece of plywood or particle board and put it on top of there. And in my case, this is just a little rug that we already have laying on the floor in front of the sink. I just put that on there. Then, to take care of that little hump right there, make it easier on the back, you can pick up little carpet samples. This is a 13.5 by 18 sample. You can get those at resale shops, carpet stores. Sometimes they'll sell them pretty cheap. I used to be in carpet sales, so I had quite a few of these around. So just put that over there. That'll make that a lot more comfortable laying on that as I'm doing this job. So this is just a real short little video that I would give you that tip. It makes this so much easier than trying to support your lower half of your body with your back digging into that area right there. As you have your torso up under there, it can really be a nightmare. This will make that job much easier. So I will have some affiliate links down in the description for some of these things, and I appreciate you stopping by. We'll see you in the next video.